How to change country on iPhone. Go to the Settings app. Here, on your iPhone, tap your name on top here to access iCloud. Then select Media and Purchases on this page and then choose View Account. On this drop-down, there's an option for country and region. Select this option here and it's going to let you change country and region. If you select this, now if you don't see this, and instead you see a page that says you have subscriptions, you actually have to cancel your subscriptions because the method of payments for your country has to match whatever address you have for your billing here. So if you do see this, all you have to do is jump over here and change your country and region and press done. If you see the other page I just showed you, you actually have to go back here and you have to go to subscriptions and make sure all your subscriptions are canceled. Thanks for watching.